Hello my dear students and welcome once again to Zenith Academy Online's Chemistry Lab. Today we are going to do an experiment to separate two immiscible liquids using a separating funnel. So let's start. So here we have taken the two liquids. I have taken oil and water. So here in water I have just added copper sulfate so that it gives a blue color and we are able to distinguish between these two solutions. So first we will make the mixture of these two immiscible liquids. We all know that water and oil are immiscible. So let's mix it in a beaker. So let's add water and oil. So note that I have added some blue color. You can add some blue color or I have added copper sulfate so that you are able to see. I am able to show you the difference. Okay. So here you can see these two are immiscible. Now we have to separate. We have to separate these two immiscible liquids. So for this we will use a special device known as a separating funnel. Here I have clamped the separating funnel on a clamp. Now we will pour the mixture here. So we'll use a funnel and we'll pour the mixture into this separating funnel. This separating funnel is used extensively to separate two liquids that are immiscible with each other. So I've poured the liquid into it. So after pouring the liquid, you have to make sure that you have to remove the stopper, otherwise the liquid will not flow. So first I will let it stand for some time so that they separate out. Can you see? See, already you can see this layer has been started. There are two layers. This liquid has been separated into two easily distinguishable layers. Are you able to see? So we will let it stand for some time. Let it stand for some time and then we will start separating the two liquids. So now you can see there's a separate layer formed. I'll just turn this and show you. So there are two layers formed. Now what we have to do is we will slowly open this knob. Are you able to see this knob? But when I open the cork, this will not flow. So I will have to take out this lid. So slowly we will open this knob, making sure that you keep on watching. So water is lighter than oil, that is why it is there in the lower layer. So you can see water is flowing down and collecting water in a separate beaker. See, I have collected the water, it's flowing. Just keep your eye here, vertically here in the same line. The line of vision should be same, and as soon as you collect all the water, just close the knob. Okay. So here you can see there is only water and no oil. Now you can allow little mixture to flow. See, in this separating funnel there is only oil. So you have separated water and oil from the immiscible mixture of both of them. You can collect this oil separately in another beaker. So you can see by using the separating funnel, we were able to successfully separate two immiscible liquids like oil and water from their mixture. I hope you liked the video very well. You have understood the concept well. If you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, tap on the bell icon to receive all the notifications. Thank you, my dear students, and keep the learning always on Zenith Academy Online.